Shu Kai is a Chinese actor and model. He studied at Shanghai Theatre Academy where he majored in ballet. He is famous for his role as Fang in A Story of Yangtze Palace and Li Qianlan in The Legends. In 2020, Shu starred in the historical fantasy drama Dance of the Sky Empire. Forbes China listed Shu under their 30 Under 30 China 2019 list, which consisted of 30 influential people under 30 years old who have had a substantial effect in their fields. His leading role in the Chinese drama Well-Intended Love, who also booked lead roles in Mr. Bodyguard, Moon River, I Am a Pet at Delhi Temple, and 2021's Young and Beautiful. In 2013, Shu won the championship in a print ads modeling contest held in Guangzhou. In 2016, he signed a contract with One New Film and Entertainment company owned by Yu Zhang and entered the entertainment industry. He was cast in his first television series Zhaosh, where he plays Yang Jian. Shu also starred in the Shanzha drama Once Upon a Time in Lingzhan Mountain, based on the manhua Kuangzhan Yuzhuo Lingzhan Shan. In 2019, Shu made his big screen debut in the romance film Autumn Fairy Tale. The same year, Shu played his first lead role in Shanzha drama The Legends. The same year, he starred in the youth military drama Arsenal Military Academy. His performance in the drama earned him the Best Actor award at the Hengdian Film and TV Festival of China. Shu also starred in the Shanzha drama Once Upon a Time in Lingzhan Mountain, based on the manhua Kongshan Yuzhuo Lingzhan Shan. In 2018, Shu starred in the historical romance drama Untouchable Lovers, followed by palace drama story of Yangtze Palace. He gained mainstream recognition with his role as Fucha Fang in A Story of Yangtze Palace, which was a huge hit in China and across Asia.